Okay, I'm doing a repair off of the Reno arch. It's 15 mil blue pumped red, makes a rose. And then after a while it fades to an orange. So you want to try to fix this if you can. You don't want to make it new because it'll be a different color. So I've got this double back gooseneck here. I'm going to make me a pattern here. Just so we know what that is in case something happens here while we're doing this. And then this end needs to be scraped. So I'm going to do it right here on my paper. And I'm probably going to bend this and make the weld right here would be the easiest way to do it. So I'm not going to cut that off till I get my piece bent. So I need a short piece of 15 mil clear and a 15 mil non-tubulated electrode. So this is the non-tube, 15 mil. This is the tubulated. Okay, I need some steel wool, and I need to find some new stuff. I got it around here somewhere. There's a piece, small piece. We got to clean it up a little bit. You can see that this is pumped red because the welds aren't dark. There's no mercury stains anywhere. It's blue phosphorus pumped with neon gas, which is the red. So we say pumped red. And then these electrodes are going into 200 housings, so they need to be at from 4 inches to 4.5 is fine. So let's see here. So that's, I got to cut that off somewhere. Hopefully it doesn't crack. Well, let's see what happens here. Look at that. You got lucky. Take this brass cap off and put it back on. That brass cap is because there's a spring in the housing. See, this can be taller. So I got to scrape some more paint off. That's only 4 inches, so I could cut this off right here. This could just crack, and this is to tell me that's the end. So that's the square right there with an X. That's where so I mark the outside. I know right where I'm at. If I need to weld another piece on here. Wow. Really not wow. There is a crack. So, to see what it's going to do, You have to touch the torch to it. It'll probably crack crazy, we'll see. Yeah, see that piece fell off, but I can deal with that. Oh, there's another crack. Uh-oh. So I'll make that one and weld it on down here as well. So I'm gonna make two of them.